folks, welcome to the lesson which is clearly stated there. We're going to be finding the center of rotation, so let's crack on and get the job done. Here we have triangle P to begin with. It's been rotated and it's been rotated onto triangle Q, and our task is to find the center of rotation. First of all, join two corresponding points. So corresponding points, point B on the object and point B dash on the image, they would be corresponding points. So pick two corresponding points and join them up. Then we find the perpendicular bisector of the line we've just drawn. A bisector means you cut it in half, so we want to find the middle of the line we've just drawn. And perpendicular means at 90 degrees to. So we want to draw a line at 90 degrees to our red dotted line, which cuts it right in the middle. And that's the line there marked on the blue line. Once we've done that, we pick two other corresponding points. I'm choosing C to C dash. I could have drawn A to A dash if I'd wanted. I join C to C dash. I find the middle of that line because I want to find the perpendicular bisector. So the middle of the red dotted line at 90 degrees to it, well, because the red dotted line is horizontal, at 90 degrees to it, we're looking for a vertical line which passes through the middle, and it would be that line there. Now, quite simply, where the two blue lines meet, that is your center of rotation. And there it is marked on, and that is the point for -1. Let's look again at example 2. First up, join two corresponding points. Again, I've chosen B to B dash. And again, we find the perpendicular bisector of this line. So that's at 90 degrees to that line and passing straight through the middle of it. And it would be that blue line there. Then we join two more corresponding points, C to C dash, find the middle of that line and draw a line at 90 degrees to it. And there it is. And once again, the center of rotation is where the two blue lines meet. And that center of rotation is the point 4, 0. Let's put all this together then with a recap. To find the center of rotation, pick two corresponding points. In this case, I've chosen B to B dash. We want to find the perpendicular bisector of this line. The perpendicular bisector is a line which is at 90 degrees to the line BB dash and which goes through the center of that line. So that blue line is at 90 degrees to the red line and it passes through the center of the red line. So that is the perpendicular bisector. We then join two more corresponding points, in this case C to C dash, and once again find the perpendicular bisector of that line. So we want a line which passes through the center of it and is at 90 degrees to it, and it's that blue line shown. Where the two blue lines meet, that is your center of rotation. And if there's anything about the video you haven't understood, just watch it back. And if you have, that's great, because that's the job done.